Welcome viewers, I am Tutor Sokoli. In today's maths, we have logarithmic equation to solve. Here we are given that if x is raised to the power 1 plus log x equal to 100, then what should be the value of x in the given equation? Remember to subscribe to my channel, also like my video, and this will make YouTube to recommend it to so many other viewers. Alright, let's dive in. The first step that I will take, remember we are going to start with the solution, then x raised to the power 1 plus the log of x. Everything now is equal to 100. The first step that I will take here is simply to apply logarithms to both sides. Okay, and that is going to give me the logarithm of x raised to the power 1 plus the log of x is equal to the logarithm of 100. But then, you know that 100 is the same thing as 10 raised to the power 2. That is putting it in index form and of course in base 10. So this implies that I will now have the log of x raised to the power 1 plus the log of x is equal to the log of 10 raised to the power 2. Very good. At this point, we can apply the power rule in logarithm, and that says that if we are given the log of x raised to the power n, it is equal to n the log of x. Beautiful. So applying that here, we have 1 plus log of x, then multiplied by the logarithm of x is equal to 2 the log of 10. This is what we have. But then, whenever we are given a log without a base, it assumes a natural base, and that is base 10. What it means is that if I give you log x without base, it means that it has base 10. So we can put it in base 10, meaning that this is going to be 1 plus the log of x, then all to base log x base 10 is equal to 2 the logarithm of 10 to base 10. Alright. Then this place also is base 10. Beautiful. Now, see with me that the logarithm of a number to its own base is equal to 1. Okay? Log a base a is equal to 1. This implies that the log of 10 base 10 should give us 1. The logarithm of a number to its own base is equal to 1. By that, it means I am going to have 1 plus the logarithm of x to base 10, then all multiplied by log x base 10, okay, is equal to 2 multiplied by 1, because the logarithm of 10 to base 10, according to this law, is equal to 1. Very good. Next, I will have 1 plus the log of x base 10, all multiplied by, okay, all multiplied by the log of x base 10 is equal to 2. Alright, moving forward, I am going to get the logarithm, opening the bracket, I have the logarithm of x to base 10, log x base 10 multiply log x base 10 will give me the log of x raised to the power 2 base 10. Then moving this 2 from the right hand side to the left hand side will give me just 2, and everything is equal to 0. Now let us do something. Let the logarithm of x be to base 10 be equal to y. What it means is that anywhere I see the logarithm of 10 of x to base 10, I am going to write y there. It implies therefore I will write here the log of, the log of x base 10 will now be y, then plus the log of x squared base y will now be equal to y squared, then minus 2 equal to 0. I have replaced the logarithm of x to base 10. You see, x squared means x multiplied by x. Okay? And therefore the log of x to base 10 is y. Then because of the squared here, then that is why we have y raised to the power 2. Now, if you look at it very well, or by rearrangement, it will now be y squared coming first will now be y squared plus y, then minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a pure quadratic equation. So out of the formulas we have in quadratic equation, we can go by formula method, which says that minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to negative 2. Substituting the values of a, b, c into the quadratic formula, we are going to get minus 1 plus or minus the square root of minus 1 squared minus 4 multiplied by a, and the a is 1 here, while c is negative 2. Everything divided by 2a, and our a is still 1. This is minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 1. Minus 1 squared will give us positive 1. Minus outside the bracket times minus inside the bracket will give us plus. 4 times 1 times 2 is going to give us 8. And this is now over 2 times 1, which is 2. So this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root of 9 all over 2. Very good. Now, moving forward, this is now going to give us minus 1 plus or minus 3. That is square root of 9 all over 2. In conclusion, we are trying to find the value of y in the quadratic equation. That is going to be y is equal to minus 1 plus 3 over 2. That is, we have plus or minus. Now we are taking plus. Minus 1 plus 3 will give us 2 over 2, which is equal to 1. Or y is equal to minus 1 minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1 minus 3 will give us minus 4 over 2 equal to minus 2. So y is equal to 1 or minus 2. But then that is not what we are asked to find. We are asked to find the value of x because the question is given to us in terms of x. But what we have found is y. Then recall that we said from here that the logarithm of x to base 10 is equal to y. Therefore, now that I have known y, I will come back to this place and pick it. Log x base 10 is equal to y. Okay? When y is equal to 1 here, I will now have it that the logarithm of x base 10 is equal to 1. By definition of logarithms, this means that the base raised to power 1 is equal to x. So x is equal to 10 raised to power 1, and that is 10. So x is equal to 10. First answer for the value of x. Very good. The second answer for the value of x, we can get it from this point. So continue from here. That is, we have when y is equal to negative 2, we have the log of x base 10 is equal to negative 2, implying that 10 raised to power minus 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 1 all over 10 raised to power 2, which is equal to 1 all over 100. In conclusion, we can now say that the values of x in the given question are x equal to 10, which is very correct, and secondly, x equal to 1 all over 100. This is the second answer. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. I remain to talk to Sokale. God bless you for watching. Bye.